Question number 23. When a female bird lays its egg in another bird's nest and abandons the original bird's eggs, okay, they move them out, and the host bird incubates and feeds the young birds, okay, that are not his. This is an example of A, predation, B, mutualism, C, commensalism, D, parasitism. Yes, for sure, it is parasitism. Sure. Yes, this bird that bought his egg in another bird's nest is considered a parasite to this bird. And parasitism, as we mentioned, a relationship in which one organism benefiting or harming the other organism. So it is a win-lose relationship.